let me show you another awesome ability of Google Forms. Being able to embed it into your website to collect more responses. Go to the three dots for Advanced Settings and scroll down to Embed HTML. I get an error message that my form can't be embedded because I use the file upload question. So you know that's the limitation. I will have to either change or remove that question before I can proceed with the Embed HTML option. So I will remove the question for the time being. If you still want responders to upload files, you can simply share a Google Drive link instead. Now when I select that option, I can specify the width and height of the iframe that will be inserted on my website. I will copy the code and go to my website. I have a Divi built website, but any WordPress website will do. Go to a code module and paste the code. Let's test it. Now your responders can complete the questionnaire directly on your website, so you don't have to keep emailing new links whenever you update the form. The form looks very professional and is responsive, and best part, you didn't have to know how to code. It is also mobile friendly, so people can use it on their phones as well. If most of the form is not displayed, change the iframe width and height in the code. If you would like a copy of this destination wedding RSVP form to use as a starting point for your own, you can grab it from my Etsy store. Thanks so much for watching.